Hello everyone, hope you're doing good and welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing the solutions for the weekly coding contest 149. It happened on Sunday, that is on 7th of April. And I found some of the questions very interesting. That's why I'm making this video so that you can also go through the different ways of solving the same questions, right? And if you're not aware of what this weekly contest are, by the way, so like these are contests held on every Sunday, okay, from 7 p.m. IST to you know 1.5 hours after that, okay. It will be 1.5 hours. And the worst part is that you can get some geek bits, as you can see here. You can get some geek bits here, and you can also feature in the monthly leaderboard, okay. Other than that, you will also be asked to, if you are looking for a job opportunity or a job change, you can also upload your resume, and based on your scores, Indeed will recommend your resume to different companies, and there are good possibilities that you will get a job. So these are some of the benefits of giving this contest. And other than that, also it will help you enhance your skills in the coding arena, right? That was all about it. And coming to the first question, it was prefix distinct, okay. So let us go through the question and then let us come to the solution, okay. This was the first question. That means it was one of the easiest question of the contest, and let's see what it is. So given an integer arr of size n, your task is to return an array of answer of size n such that answer of I represents the number of distinct elements in the prefix of the array till ith index. I'm sure that you would not have understood in the first go. So let me quickly show you some examples so that you can understand the same. Okay. So the question, see, very simple. The idea here is, see, the answer see, the given array will have n elements, right? And similarly, the answer will also have n elements. So the, let us say, the zeroth element of the answer will tell me the number of distinct elements in the array from 0 to 0. That is the first element itself, okay. Similarly, this the ith index, that is the first index of the answer, will tell me the number of distinct elements in the array from 0 to 1 index, okay. Similarly, the second element, that is the second index of the answer, will tell me the number of distinct elements in the original array from index 0 to 2. That means the idea here is, for example, see, I am at, let us say I want to determine the ith index of the answer. That means I will have to find out the number of distinct elements between 0 till the ith index in the original array, okay. That's what it is. So see, in this example, they are given 1 to 1, okay. So the first element will always be distinct for itself, right? So the in the answer array, the 0th index will always be 1, okay. That is one thing common, okay. Now come to the second index. The first index and the second index, that is 0th index and the first index, are different, right? That means in the answer array, okay, in the answer array, you will have a number, whatever is the previous one, you will have to add one more to it, okay. The answer will be 2. And now come to the second index in the arr. You can see that from 0 to index 2, I can see only two distinct elements, okay. From index 0 till index 2, I can see only two distinct elements, that is 1 and 2. So the number of distinct elements will remain the same for the index 2 of the answer as well. I hope you have understood. Let me tell you like this, okay. So the 0th index of the answer, okay, will tell me the number of distinct elements between 0 to 0th index. That is, I'm talking about the same index only, okay. Similarly, the first index of the answer will tell me the number of distinct elements starting from index 0 to index 1, okay. Similarly, the second index of the answer will tell me the number of distinct elements between the index 0 till index 2, okay. So you can see all of them are going to start from 0, but only this thing is changing, okay. 0 to something, okay, that is only changing. So if you do the same way, okay, if you do the same way, what you will get, if the ith index of the answer is going to be dependent on the number of distinct elements between index 0 to index I, okay. As simple as that. That's what we are using, okay. I hope you are understanding the logic. So in the first example, okay, in the first example, as I have mentioned, zero thing is always going to be, answer is going to be one only. Why? The first element is always going to be distinct to itself. Okay. Now coming to the second example, that is the second index. Okay, the first index I'm talking about. Okay, second index, when I say, if you see, if the reference is, if the base is starting from 0, so the second index will be considered the first index, okay. So if I talk about the index number 1, okay, you can see in the original array I can see two distinct elements, that is 1 and 2, okay. I can see 1 and 2 are the two distinct elements, okay. So the answer in this case will be, incremented by 1. Why is that so? Because I can see two distinct elements in the between the range 0 to 1, okay. So it is 1 and 2, okay. So because of these two distinct elements, okay, because of these two distinct elements, this will be 2, okay. Now coming to the other part, what is that? If I talk about the first 0 to 2, that is the first three elements, okay. Again, I can see it will be 2 because I can see 1 and 2 other additional elements here. So answer will be 1, 2, and 2, and that's what we are having here, okay. So that is the basic idea. This question, I guess the wording in which they have given, okay, they are talking about that something called prefix and some, all those things. Yeah, I guess they are confusing you, but the question is very simple. How to implement it in terms of Python? I can say that I will take a simple set, okay, and I will take an answer array. As simple as that. I will go through each number of the the given array, the original array, and what I will do is at each step I will add the given, that is the current element, to my set. Okay, then I will take the length of the set and append it to my answer. As simple as that for each step. Okay, these two will be done for each element of the array, original array, and then finally I will return the answer. Okay, let me quickly run this and show you. And it works. Okay, it may take some time because this is being run from the sample cases of the exam. I'm not sure it will how long it will take, but this is the answer, right? Okay, yeah, you can see it is matching. So yeah, friend, that was for this video. It was on the simple side. Okay, you can see even the accuracy 80%. So if you have not done this contest, or if you are a fresher, I will definitely recommend you to try this question first, because see, 80% of the population who have attended this consult were able to answer it accurately, that is in the correctly, right? That's what I wanted to say. So you can say that out of 100 attempts, 80% of the attempts were accurate. As simple as that. Okay. So yeah, friend, that was all for this video, and we will solve some more questions from this contest. Okay, in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned. Yeah, that's all for today. Thanks a lot.